convention in June many years ago. We had this kind of meeting. When we had confusion, where I did not know, scattered all over everywhere in the world. How we change June we have. Can you hear me say why they can do? Can you hear me like a passion? Can you hear me what you are buying? Everybody is checked to this chair. How would you tell one? Now, here to go Hashibu. Now, go over also. Have no property. Throughout the development island, Jeba. Haga, Piano. Only who their landlord, after 2 years, will say they are tenant. Haga, but what time they do, how she spend their go. Why have to have actual? Haga, without their culture, how do they just have culture? That's a culture. How we taught us in a high head of was so high as a part of was on our love and another. And we also had a very simple with her. In how you weekend men of Itiga, Anya, Nayabasa technology, a banking. Oh, yeah, we here with the digital time. I just said the real estate, but had into technology and banking. Man, Mr. President, make a regular leadership, this has come. Of when you show you may suggest on when them carry so Ibo Shirike. The shopman. He had the Abuabu. Big water or drink like the medical deal. Mr. President, this shopman. Njibai, Igbos, Munagi were not good starters, we are good finishers. So, Prof, as sound, as wonderful, as beautiful as this idea could be, I want to make some few amendments. One is Njibai, he did one here. Managaba had an engine by any, they will overtake anybody. But beginning and starting is the biggest challenge of any government. So, here now, I suggest because partnership with existing Igbo with existing Igbo businesses, investment. But we put that by here. I think we will help in this matter. Igbo resources. Only we are so individualistic. But I saw Ohanese, for instance, Ohanese Igbo partners with Rochas Foundation. Okay, this year, to start, that we want to matter, how would have 1,000? Now, as Santiago partner with what's the name of the company? Star Energy. Kanjibo grow in one percentage. It is easier. This would help as a starting point while you are looking for this. Can you first? Can support you? As for Anjiba associates in many big companies, if we start with this, it will help. The other point I want to say is, only Jin Yan Naya Owudobrago. First, now we want that first, and I first. Mr. President, call them for meeting. Call us for meeting. I want to 100 people who can confidently today bring 10, 20, 50 million naira, 100 million. Let's start from the known to unknown. One night, Okude Leba, Master Gano man. One night, it's an after of hairstyle called Igbo Salvation Fund. Igbo Busebe raised 50 billion naira. In our person, you also 1,000, that's 1,000. It will help to kickstart. On that note, with these few amendments, I hereby support and endorse this motion.